Mwesone na kirete nyomba kama konyoranga chia aspirants ya Gusii cha Jubilee Jones Pinju menente sakuru kichuni keroka. Udiscussion manganabo. Nga very keen kubategera kurumu chakano mpaka omwele.
Ogora jina lingine ni Clive Nyanga. Mimi natoka sehemu ya Kitutu Masaba. I am an aspirant member of parliament for Kitutu Masaba. This group you see here, it is aspirant members of parliament. Na pia tuko na senator, tuko na MCS. Ambao our lengo kuu letu ni kusupport our candidate Daktari Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
Nene ngalige the composition of the crowd yalinge gale. Ngara nomora na kibaso alenge. Boss Bairura no alenge. Ngama kurale singa Clive Ugura no alenge. Ngama korra pakko mochu korra ni many other aspirants no valengora. Now, ngama watanga, this is our noble idea. First of all, kana oshane team ya Matiang'i na watetinga, they need to have young and energetic men who can campaign for Matiang'i in the Gusii region. Ngama guru an example, if they could consider chia aspirants ira bebia. Asingote vya chia aspirants. Chia aspirants, na ushikubeka chia nga chia Matiang'i, chia Jubilee. Na wabako tahara, wakuwa na Jubilee kulu mpaka maragoba. Na wabaka nitipo nika the support of Matiang'i kubwa the incumbent ones, because the incumbent ni baro chinga mbaba chivesa. So, kere chia aspirants yuko kuliva, kwa usifa kwa chama wakuli ndomna keli, that was a noble idea. Lakini korende kinale nge kuligeli ya abunebo tina, what is the motive of these people? Ngariales is a very simple thing. Deficit. There's a deficit ba noticeri, bonigera sisiasa. Ime ya Gusii gaiga, ya gerete, pa hagu chiko koraki, go chamo, pa campaign li Matiang'i. Kena bata gerete pa wate de idea nga, pa campaign li Jubilee in the Gusii region, pa promote Matiang'i, na baroko iruwa nere gobi yabo, pa soe 2027. Lakini mbali go chamo, kwa muati yaba kore paka bachoro mu chairman Clive Ugura posa mpaka li eginto gete gyatu getemna libaga bago chikuichulia aseti ya Matiang'i. Now asekinto ya libaga ndi alengo, the first one the current MPs to what unaboniga njagire barongo osere linda mwananchi mono kubwasa Matiang'i. Clive Gisairo osere linda mwananchi mono kubwasa Matiang'i. Aya CMPs chichibwate mixed language. Kera bale se channel yeke Gusii tota ebenga bajiregesa ibagoto Matiang'i. Bago so the national platform ibagoto gisifuna. Bago ganda isiko ya Gusii ibagoto gisifuna. Bago Gusii ga Matiang'i beka tobwate. Those mixed languages, mixed messages bago chabatuara. They having mixed signals. Ndumetia sibaro chukuchi. Chiasali ground kiapa sana. Endi chiasali iri ncharegetenga Matiang'i tabwate support Gusii ga ya CMP chai. Bago nyoro mundako na kabisa coast tote banga Rais mtarajiwa Sifuna. Matiang'i kali Gusii gai kaka kolio president. That is very dangerous. So these mixed signals kuruwa si CMP. Na Matiang'i apimiro atabirenga no. There is no way to have tutabu atibantu wa campaign ili Jubilee ni Gusii. That's why tuwaro chichi aspirants ya chichi go chama. That's the first one. Sababu enengo tabanga liba kantro nieli. There is need to strengthen Jubilee party Gusii. Jubilee party boni get strong simply because of one thing. Kero mwandame tengi Matiang'i na wale. Lakini ndura nyora campaign siko kuruwa the ground cha Jubilee ngale yaro tuwa liga ri nene ya Jubilee ligonjuka na Keroka Masoveti Kisii County Ogembo chasi wa Kisii Town ndura that ndura meeting ndeonzi ya Jubilee wakoleka na Gusii Matiang'i ataiyo chitisha cha Jubilee tocho rali Matiang'i yaro chikobi ndi Matiang'i yaro branding ndi Matiang'i yaro lakini kakogenda na chirocho abantu bagutigara Gusii ambaye bakora campaign. So there's need for the Jubilee party to be strengthened. That is why abangwana abachi aspirants bachite together, and I'm very sure they have the blessings cha Matiang'i. Egere bachiba revive the spirit of Jubilee in ya Gusii. Gusii to kulige nere bate Jubilee. Tobe nto nyora, tobe mba nyora the MPs cha Gusii, iko Matiang'i lose mono sana. Aseki Jubilee is strong in Mount Kenya mna yalengi. Na Gusii ne bende lead as an example to the rest of the constituencies cha Gusii. Cha Kenya. Aso conchora all the members of parliament, chi governors, chi MCAs, chi senators, chi women rep in Jubilee ticket. They need to do that. So, Matiang'i naro chenga, there's need for these aspirants to be used. Now, again, to kene keko keranga tebanga, there's a big gap aseboni igato ukwana ground. Ground mobilization ya chirenze sana. Because bono metekera tutagemeta ba mpia babago sigo seko kora mobilization. Nende ba magumuka baruo. Nega neri abantu bacha bakora mobilization ya Jubilee and even Matiang'i generally. Ngonyo rori chinga kichindo kwa street ando bakuri Matiang'i bono ninkia gokora. Matiang'i bono nakiakirega. Matiang'i bono chivesya mwere ama swali kita mangi. Lakini kare chi aspirant chucha chwa waro mukutano. Kichigwe we togia chakwanira Matiang'i. Abantu batanga Matiang'i na kwete na legas. So ground mobilization ya maana. Ya garuko kama ambi konyora Simbarati uli Masimba. Abantu agukwanira. Chitu chache South uli Mumba oli abantu ba kugwanira. kira semba bwate amashabiki abo bagotoki kwa makuburi Jubilee ronga yere Matiang'i ronga yari togo ndabinga simbarati narangelia abantu 500 abasere bonse 200 abenga naruwa watabwati kura y'omuntu pakatu ali kura y'omuntu igobona nega niri as much as abande bakora ibyabo na Matiang'i team yakora ibyabo. Now esababu yana watabange deficit nero, it is because as much as Matiang'i ale kerogo likigoro naga ndichi MPs chonse picha uzi jibe sensema ya njira tejo ora tabenga nonyo le MP until go empower the aspirants. Aspirants we could be empowered. Yakogera first of all tuma tenga ngwanda bale nominations. Onye the incumbent kakobwa well and good. Yanya likananga onye incumbent ya bwire oje ukabere na nanga strong. Oba promise Mr nomination lakini oso ageti o campaign gusiba campaign le Matiang'i. Lakini baiso ko ba dumped bono iga. 2027 nga yochu ko ba rusiba campaign. Orochi muna boni iga chi MP chi amwire literally nga chi achire rinda mwananchi yategera Matiang'i. Nga yochu kurusia abantu bo campaign le on aspirants ibagutugutusiko. Nanyo atalinde mungona mugande nga aspirants chi MP boni iga chire side chi kwata nga chi abwete Matiang'i ata iyo. Bono in 2027 still na bakubwa Matiang'i ata getiki ata bakonyete. Eyu ne idea babwate in mind. But boni iga siasa is not the same. Usiga iga yochu ko barais especially umuntu olikabere. Ngarega naga abuna kongu sana. Now jamba example tu asinyali bali Masaba anyi kitutu Masaba zinguru chiyo mpicho speech abechi kana one time akolega stakora ayandi ere raisi koirora angaboni iga mungolo kuguliro bana nairorete lakini akakusiko despite kure basa ya 10,000 8 and above igobono na igisero tebe ndiko very confident na without Matiang'i can still win na kiko chuko campaign ige round to Matiang'i na Matiang'i otevre nomination ya Jubilee ego chokora free and fair. Mogo swageti mwiruanere because mnaona ye kire mna mogo mutama pakebe free and fair because on the day utakira ya ticket go sare chikura. Wako nomination ya organization manage okay but the fact is kusibila Matiang'i tegecho kabarais in 2027. So Matiang'i otevre na gani ndichi MPs we can empower the aspirants across egarabachi ko mukonya kogenda mutu asichi campaigns. Chi aspirants inde very strong and well endowed financially. Financial, they're big businessmen in Gusii region. For instance, one Clive Ogura, neki janali yes, but is well endowed. Mungona muna wali can fuel, chika liberi cha Matiang'i, chikole campaign in a day. Mungona muna tukuba tukuta, because Matiang'i, one thing he needs, it's financial support. That is why these aspirants bakoba recognized. Yanende tukuirora na go stress iga. Aba angwana babacha tamba muna chi aspirants, they are going to be very key towards 2027 as Matiang'i. That is why Matiang'i had that blessing Jogo Chamba. Mbale koru nowhere, babu ate meeting, bagiringa we are coming together, ko support Matiang'i, na ko campaign Gusii, toga na mpaka Nyangoko, bosa. Lazima babu ate chi blessings cha Matiang'i uchimoto. Tima itina kiroja sa comment section, lakini ndevi angoro chembanyari, watabu ate just sitting members of parliament. Na saba sasa ni biyamuno sana so go follow Mugwa Times, make sure that you subscribe. See you next time.